Day 7， 早餐吃什么？哇哦，耶 ！Economical bihun ya. A day of work followed by tonight's dinner. We got, I didn't even realize we got abalone. Nice. And curry and rice. And not brown rice, whole white rice, okay? So at this rate, I don't think I'll be losing that much weight. If I can maintain, I'm very happy already. Yeah. Let's eat. Wow, so full lah. Oh, am I? Oh, am I? Marks and Spencer's chocolate. The time is 11:20. And look at what we're doing. Look at what we're doing again.
Embarrassed how it's already taking supper. I'm so embarrassed.
Let's see what the rock is cooking. What? 什么 slimming diary ma? What slimming diary are we talking about? What slimming diary? More like eating diary. Walao, but shook man. Some is crab sticks, my favorite. Want to shook all the way. Maggi mee plus 1 sausage bread. Yes, it's very shook. And tonight, we have already taken our 2 dosages. We already took our 2 dosage, right, of the slimming pill, the slimming fluid. Right, so I think it's gonna save this bunch going into my tummy now. Sometimes eating at night is the worst, okay? So I still left a little bit. That's what I'm gonna record tonight, okay? Let me just enjoy the rest of the Maggi mee. Shook in heaven.